Hey there, welcome to Click to Learn with Polite, where math and physics finally make sense. So in this session, we're going to solve a quadratic equation by factorizing. So in order for you to be able to do a quadratic equation by factorizing, you need to be able to do one of these things. First thing first, taking out a common factor. Sometimes you might need to do the difference of two squares, or the sum, or the difference of two cubes, right? So now sometimes you might be required to factorize by grouping. Okay, let's start with this one. They say solve for x. We have the quadratic equation that is given in the form of ax squared minus 2x minus 26. So now, if we can check the constant term, which is 24, this term already, we can see that it is negative. So the constant term is negative. We need to find the factor of 24, right? We need the factors of 24. That is the first step. Okay. So on step 1, we need to find the factors of 24. The factors of 24 such that the difference between these factors, they give you what? They must give you minus 2, the middle term. As you can see, the middle term is given as negative 2. So we need to find the factors of 24. Therefore, those factors of 24 that when you add or subtract them, they give you minus 4. We know the factors of 24 is 6 and 4. So it will be 6 and 4. So now we see that 4 and 6 are the factors that when we multiply them, they will give us 24, because 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Then we need to make sure that when we subtract these two factors, we get negative 2. So the best way to get negative 2, we're going to say this will be 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 will give us what? Will give us minus 2. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the bracket on this equation so that I can be able to solve this. I'm going to open the brackets, the two brackets, so that I can be able to do what? I can be able to solve this. Sorry about that. So let's say I have the two brackets. This is x. I have the other as x. So now when you say 4 and minus 6, they give us minus 2. This tells you that the other bracket should be positive 4. So the other bracket should be plus 4. Then the other bracket will have what? The other bracket will have that minus 6. The other bracket will have that minus 6. Therefore, to solve this thing, remember this is equal to 0. We can just equate the brackets. Therefore, we can take the x plus 4 equate to 0, or we can take the x minus 6 equate to 0. Solving for x will have x is equal to minus 4 because you are subtracting 4 on both sides, or you can have x as positive 6. Then this question is solved.